What's going on, guys? Jarrett and Aiden here, and we got this product from the company to check out for this video, and I absolutely love this gate. This is a baby gate that was installed by using screws that go right onto the wall. Everything comes together with what you need, and it was super easy, and it even comes with a template that you use to put onto the wall so that way you know where to screw in the holes or where to drill the pilot holes to put the screws in. There are two sections here, and these sections tightened and unlocked, so that way you can adjust the size or adjust the distance between the gate and between the wall. So this can expand a long distance. Right now it's set perfectly to where I need it. With this baby gate, all you do is you pull on this little latch, you lift up, and then it opens. And for our bathroom, it's perfect because it just goes right past the toilet, and then it can stay right here like this. This can swing in both directions if you wanted it to, so that way you have access for both ways. And then there's also a locking mechanism on this side here, so you can control the direction of which way the gate moves or doesn't move. And then the feature that I like the most about this, and I know that a lot of gates are different, but you can slide your foot underneath this without tripping over it. Some gates are just so flush with the ground that you will trip over it, but this here, there's nothing here, so you can just walk right through without there being any issue. So if you're looking for a baby gate or a dog gate, something like that, I would definitely recommend checking this out. I love this thing.